I'm Dr. Dustin Sulak, and I'd like to talk to you about chronic pain. First off, I want to express my compassion for all of you listening to this that experience chronic pain on a daily basis. I know that pain has a broad effect on a person's life, including their sleep, their enjoyment of pleasurable activities, the health of their relationships with their family, their friends, their lovers, their productivity at work, and their relationship with themselves. I talk to a lot of patients that feel like they don't even know who they are anymore because all they know is their daily intense pain. And I want to talk to you about some good options for helping treat this pain and helping you get your life back. Most of the conventional medical treatments for chronic pain don't work very well. These are opioids primarily, drugs like oxycodone, hydrocodone, Percocet. Generally medications that have been used very successfully to treat acute pain and post-surgical pain. The problem when using them to treat chronic pain is that their effects start to diminish over time. They require a higher and higher dose over time, and generally they don't solve the problem of helping people improve the quality of their lives. It's just a temporary fix with some substantial side effects. Other conventional treatments for chronic pain include seizure medications like gabapentin and Lyrica, non-steroidal anti-inflammatories like ibuprofen and naproxen, antidepressant drugs which can help with associated depression and sometimes decrease pain. But really these are all management options that don't solve the problem, and they don't help that much. I see a lot of patients that are very dissatisfied with the results they're getting from the conventional treatments. So I'd like to explain to you another option, a therapeutic option that comes directly from nature, that's safe, effective, and very useful in patients with chronic pain. I've seen thousands of people use medical marijuana to treat chronic pain very successfully, often as a single therapy, sometimes in combination with other therapies. The benefits of medical marijuana are quite profound and really impressive in patients that have failed multiple other treatments, including all the drugs I've mentioned and surgeries. When I talk to people that are using medical marijuana and they tell me about how it's helping them, I always hear a similar story. Number one, they say, "Doc, it's really decreasing the intensity of my pain. The pain doesn't feel as strong, but even more than that, it's changing the quality of my pain. It's putting it in the back burner. It's changing the pain to something that isn't right in front of me all the time, grabbing my attention, ruling my life, but it's something that I can tune out and get past and get on with my day, get on with my work, play with my kids, make love with my partner. It's something that allows me to get back to my life." It brings people into the present moment, and I think that's part of the effect. Someone in chronic pain often has this fight or flight state of the nervous system, which impairs their ability to make good rational decisions and makes them more likely to react emotionally and irrationally to situations and stressors. Cannabis not only treats the pain itself, but it also treats the whole person. So when a person uses cannabis or marijuana to treat the pain, they often find that they're sleeping better, their stress level goes way down, they're feeling like they know who they are again, and they're feeling a sense of connection to something greater than themselves, whether that's a spiritual connection or a connection with nature. They feel like they've been let out of this little box that the chronic pain has put their life into. It also helps as a muscle relaxant. So people with chronic pain are usually in this cycle where the pain causes muscle tension, and the tension leads to more stress, and then that leads to more pain, and the cycle goes around and around. So when people use cannabis, all of a sudden their bodies feel more loose, they feel more active and more alive, and they're getting out and taking a walk or spending some time stretching or participating in life, in movement, in activity. That's really beneficial. When you look at the side effects of marijuana in comparison with all the other drugs that I've mentioned, it's much, much safer, much more effective, and the side effects are all mild and very easily tolerated or removed by adjusting the dosage, the strain, and the delivery system of medical marijuana. And you can watch some other videos for information about how to best use this to treat pain. The last thing I want to suggest is that when a medicine comes from nature in its natural form. It works with your body to promote healing and engages your system's healing response. I believe that everyone in chronic pain has some activity within them, in their body, in their mind, in their spirit, that wants to heal. And if we can augment that desire to heal and help someone really achieve some of these positive changes in their life, it starts to gain momentum, and we see they're doing better and better and better all the time. I really believe that medical marijuana is one of the best treatments for chronic pain, and I invite you.